our speaker in this discussion today with the topic unexpected opportunities, Indonesian experience in the Netherlands. Okay, before we start to the discussions, I would like to explain a little biography of Dr. Lawrence. Dr. Lawrence is Dr. Becker is a leading scholar in law and justice with extensive research on land use, resource conflict, and authority in Indonesia. So, for your information, Dr. Lawrence can speak Bahasa Indonesia well. And then more recently, Dr. Lawrence works examines how migration, legality, and everyday survival intersect, particularly with Indonesian communities living in the Netherlands. So, what we're gonna discuss today is about the people who live, work, and make connections in Netherlands, but they don't have legality, documented paper. So they are like what we call maybe invisible. So illegal. They live in the Netherlands illegally, and then they not only not in few numbers, but I think 100, even 1,000 numbers of people, if I'm not mistaken, and then they live there not in short time, but maybe like 10 until 20 years live in Netherlands, and they don't have documented paper. And
teman-teman ini, teman saya, Dr. Iza di sini, dia tanya sama saya pakai kerja bahasa Indonesia sama bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Inggris saja atau bahasa Indonesia saja. Apakah Anda suka? Ya? Ya, tapi Anda lebih suka saya pakai bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Indonesia? Both. Okay. Then we'll definitely do both. We'll make a mixture. Well, thank you very much for the introduction. And yeah, that was pretty much spot on. The reason why I chose to speak about this subject to you is that within this research project, we have nobody working on international relations. Di dalam proyek ini sampai sekarang belum ada siapapun yang punya persepsi hubungan internasional di dalam masalah ini. And it's important, we think. So maybe while you're listening, you may get some ideas like, you should look at this, or you should do that. And if so, please let us know. Tolong kasih tahu supaya nanti bisa dipakai juga.
Untuk masuk ke Belanda, nah seperti yang tadi Lawrence jelaskan bahwa di Belanda memang kayak bisa tapi tidak bisa. Jadi orang-orang tidak akan mendenai mereka karena mereka butuh. Pertama mereka butuh low wages. Itu sama dengan ketiga negara ini, baik Malaysia maupun Australia. Mereka melihat opportunity yang pekerja Indonesia bawa dengan ketidakadaan dokumentasi, dengan ketidakadaan legal, mereka bisa dibayar lebih murah dan karena mereka butuh. Dan sayangnya bisa juga untungnya para pekerja ini membutuhkan itu.
Thank you.